Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang bytechsm.com. So paano nga ba tayo makapag-register dito? I-input lamang natin ang ating mobile number, login password, security password, and then yung invitation code natin guys. Then i-attach natin itong code. So after natin ma-fill upan to lahat guys, then i-click natin tong sign up. So yun nga guys, once na nakapag-register and login na tayo, merong system notification si bytechsm.com, URL bytechsm.com, Telegram customer service, t.me/bytechsm, first minimum deposit 5 TRX, second accumulate 5 to 5,000 TRX, withdraw 5% every day, third the accumulative deposit is 5,001 to 300,000 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 5.5%. Fourth, the cumulative deposit is 301 to 800,000 TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 6%. Fifth, cumulative deposit is 801 to 120,000 TRX, daily withdrawal 7%. 6. Accumulative deposit is 120 and 1 to 500,000 to TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 8%. 7. The accumulative deposit is 501 to 1 million TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 9%. The 8. The accumulative deposit is 1 million and 1 to 5 million TRX, and the daily withdrawal is 10%. The higher the cumulative recharge amount, the higher the rate of return. This is long-term stable income. Looking forward to your joining. Recommend recharge to get great rewards. Level 1 recharge, you can get 13% commission. Level 2 recharge, you can get 5% commission. Level 3 recharge, you can get 2% commission. Your level 1 user deposit 100 TRX and get 13 TRX commission. Your level 2 user deposit 100 TRX and get 5 TRX commission. Your level 3 user deposit 100 TRX and get 2 TRX commission. So yun nga guys, meron tayo ditong total ng TRX balance is 5,000. So magtungo tayo guys dito sa ating trading. So yun guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating trading profit, cloud mining is working 7%. So yun, after nun guys, magtungo tayo sa ating investment. So yun guys, after natin makarating sa ating investment, meron tayo ditong product list. Ang TRX 7-day program only once, daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. And then TRX investment plan 15 days period, daily rate 2.5%, cycle 15 days. And then TRX investment plan 30 days period, daily rate 3%, cycle 30 days. And then TRX investment plan 60 days period, daily rate 5%, cycle 60 days. And then TRX investment plan 180 days period, daily rate 8%, cycle 180 days. And then the last one is a TRX investment plan 365 days period, daily rate 10%, cycle 365 days. So after nyan guys, magtungo tayo sa ating share. So yun guys, once na nakarating tayo sa ating share, paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn na rewards? So kailangan natin mag-invite guys ng ating contacts or friends through social media. So yun nga guys, kakopy lang natin itong link, and then share natin itong referral link natin to sa ating through social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger para mag-start tayo ng earning natin ng rewards. So magtungo tayo guys dito sa ating mine. So yun guys, once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, so may total balance tayo dito is 5,000 TRX, and then meron tayo ditong deposit and withdrawal, and then TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So after yan guys, para makapag-deposit, i-click natin itong deposit. So yun nga guys, once na makarating tayo sa ating recharge or deposit is we have here the transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 hours every day. Then second one is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return to the principal and income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or an promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So ito yan guys, i-click natin tong transfer to basic. So yun nga guys, once na nakaklik natin yung transfer to basic, may lalabas ditong TRX address or yung copy address natin guys. Ika-copy lamang natin ito at para makapag-withdraw, magtungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun nga guys, once na makarating tayo sa ating Binance, magtungo tayo dito sa ating wallet. Then wallet to withdraw. Para makapag-withdraw tayo guys. So yun nga guys, pipili tayo ng choose currency. So mag-click tayo dito sa ating crypto, then TRX. Then yun guys, nandito na tayo sa ating sa TRX. So yung kinapin nating copy address nun sa ating site, ilo-long press lang natin dito at i-paste natin siya guys. Then yun guys, once na na-copy, na long press na natin at na-paste natin siya dito guys, ilalagay natin yung amount, nili-click natin tong withdrawal. Then yun guys, then click natin tong confirm. So yun nga guys, meron tayo ditong verification. First yung mobile number natin and then yung Gmail. So, kiklik natin tong send code. So yun nga guys, once na may nakapag-send na sa atin ng code, i-input lang natin siya guys, then i-click natin tong submit. So yun nga guys, request submitted na tayo at system processing. So napaka-legit talaga ng ating site. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo sa link na ilalagay ko sa aking description box. Then don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa mga ilalabas ko.